Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel. And in the words of Drake, started at the bottom, now we're here. Started at the bottom, now my whole team effing here. And I know I gotta censor it because there could be some children's out in the background. I'm serious about protecting the ears of all the children out there. Oh my gosh, so insane day for XRP price action. Apparently XRP actually hit 65 cents a little bit earlier today. It didn't pick that number didn't get picked up on Live Coin Watch or coinmarketcap.com, but I saw some screen grabs of it, so I don't know if it was just maybe a spot exchange here or there. I'm not really sure. It could have just been not as global an instance. But either way, that's amazing. Hell, then again, by the time you're listening to this, you're like, yeah, we know, we blew past that. Maybe it's going to be $1 by the time you freaking hear this. I don't know, the whole world's crazy, but this is absolutely astonishing. So I've been doing my happy dance for like 3 days straight, man. Moon Lambo happy dance. And I hope you're doing yours too, because we've been in a freaking bear market for damn near 3 years, and we deserve a little celebration time here. So what's going on? Well, I got a couple reports for you having to do with XRP price action, including this one. Shit, you gotta see this, man. This is astonishing. XRP surpasses $22.2 billion market cap, hits trading volume record, reclaims top 3 crypto spot over Tether. XRP's been busy. XRP, and wait till you see this too. Another record day of account activations for XRP. And undoubtedly, many of these people that have been joining are going to end up being, long-term holders. Not all of them, but undoubtedly some are. I mean, you're going to learn about the actual utility because they're going to do some research. And that's what it was like for me 3 years ago. I was like, what's this XRP thing? And I started researching it and bought some. And I'll be damned, after I finished researching, I was like, holy freaking hell. And we got to, this is so fun too. We have, excuse me, I'm sorry. Throat. Got a little touch of the COVID. No, I'm good. But mainstream media is back. How about that? Here you go from CNBC. Ether, XRP, and other altcoins rally as Bitcoin heads for all-time high. Started at the bottom. Now we're here. Before we go any further, if you would please ever so delicately tap the like button, I'd appreciate the support. And also go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel. That's right, take my free content, damn it. I like this from XRP, the Standard Productions on Twitter. They wrote, and this is a little bit earlier today, XRP is only at 53 cents. It's only up 16% today. What an S-word coin. Yes, so again, censoring for the children's. Yeah, only up 16% one day. As I record this, XRP is at 60.5 cents. Bitcoin's at $18,318. Market cap is at 561 billion. Bitcoin dominance decreasing dramatically. Feel free to take a look at your screen right here. Isn't this a beautiful 30-day chart of the Bitcoin dominance down to 60.5%? Tell you what, I know what I hate, and I don't hate that. And what a glorious 24-hour chart. Now looks like at the 7-day. Look at that 7-day XRP chart. Man, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have to print this bitch up and put this on my fridge. I had one done the other day, but it just keeps on going up, and I gotta update this thing. So let's jump in here. You know, for those of you that were around in 2017, as XRP was pumping, I mean, maybe it happened in early January, could have been, but pretty damn near XRP's all-time high. You had, I believe it was CNBC, they were telling you how to buy Ripple. Of course they meant XRP, but they were telling you how to buy Ripple at an all-time high. All right, masses, jump on in. Holy hell. So finally, we got a little bit of CNBC back in our lives. And it reads as follows. Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency posting strong gains lately. Ether, XRP, and a handful of other so-called altcoins or alternative cryptocurrencies. Ooh, yeah, see. It's so cute when you hear mainstream media talk about it, because obviously you see crypto media, it's like it's just assumed everybody knows what the hell an altcoin is. But anyway, rallied Monday following the world's best-known digital currency higher. Oh my freaking God. I don't want to read the whole thing, but I did just want to just note that mainstream media is back, so they're going to start getting the mania out there. I don't know, that it still doesn't feel anything like 2017, which is exciting to see these price levels and to know that in terms of, even though there's like fine, admittedly high volume, but it does not seem at all like the masses are here yet. So when the masses get here on top of this, holy freaking hell, man, I don't even know if my poor little heart can handle it. It's going to get serious here. From the Daily Hodl, XRP surpasses 22.2 billion market cap, hits trading volume record, and reclaims top 3 crypto spot over Tether. And so the market cap right now, it's actually, because that was earlier today, it's actually 27.4 billion according to Live Coin Watch. Good times here. XRP's daily trading volume has soared to a record high as the digital asset overtakes Tether to become the 3rd largest cryptocurrency by market cap. That's right, Tether, you can freaking suck it. Data from the crypto price aggregator CoinMarketCap reveals that XRP surged to a 2020 high of 49 cents. Isn't that cute? It got up to 65 cents, but it's been a little bit, this is a little bit earlier in the day, so things happen quickly. On November 22nd, as its market capitalization swelled over 22.2 billion. Daily trading volume spiked to a record high of 16.99 billion. And in comparison, XRP's daily trading volume hovered around 9.5 billion when it recorded its all-time high of $3.84 per coin in January 2018. Did you guys catch that? When XRP was at its all-time high, it was the trading volume is 9.5 billion. We just hit 16.99 billion. While XRP's hovering around, at the time it was hovering around, about 50 cents. What the hell do you think is going to happen when everybody else gets here? Because, it's just going to be like, I don't know, man. It's going to be more ridiculous than when people were fighting for the last 4-pack of toilet paper at the local Walmart, okay? It's going to get bloody out there. It's going to look ridiculous. Now, while XRP has made waves over the last few days, not all analysts are convinced that the 3rd largest cryptocurrency can sustain its bullish momentum. Crypto strategist and trader Michael Vandepop believes that XRP is likely due for a correction. And mind you, nothing against the guy, seems like a nice dude. He clearly, he does not because of this, but clearly, he's made it quite clear, frankly, that he is not a fan of XRP. At all. And so, hopefully that's not bleeding into his TA. Some people like Peter Brandt, I can't even trust what they say when it's about XRP, but I can respect the rest of what they do. It's just some of these people, they're so ideologically driven and closed-minded. Like people, for instance, he out there, and I highlighted this on the channel. He was talking about how XRP just the other day. He's talking about how it's still way down for whatever it was at the time from its all-time high. And I'm just sitting there thinking, like, you're framing that like it's a bad thing because when it's down and people haven't bought in yet, that's, in my humble opinion, a good time to buy. Because then you get a tremendous multiplier effect. So I bought a ton when it was more like around 25 cents, and now here it is, over 60 cents. Okay, this is not rocket science here. And look, to be clear, I don't have a financial background. I'm not offering financial advice. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything I say or write. I just think it's fun to talk about this stuff, but it just seems purely silly to me. But anyway, here's what he said. We can expect XRP to relatively top out soon, unless it flips this 50-cent level. So, by the way, would you guys say it did it yet? Has it officially flipped yet? Anyway, so if we get a momentum like this and we flip 50 cents here, that would definitely argue that we're going to see a continuation. But given the significance of the previous range of resistance between 27 to 30 cents, it would definitely be expected to see a correction towards that region before we can see an impulse wave. And look, I don't want to rain on anybody's parade here, but I'm going to be real with you here. At some point, there will be a retrace. So think about from 2015 to 2017, there were, this is for Bitcoin, but it's a stat that I know because I just covered this on the channel within the last several days or so, but Bitcoin, over the course of those 2 years, on its way up to its all-time high of nearly $20,000, it had 9 major pullbacks that averaged 37% down, but it still did what it did, didn't it? And so there will be, I don't know how it's going to go before we see a retracement. It's going to happen. It's not just going to go up in a straight line forever. Now, I'm not saying it's not going to go up way higher before it does that. I don't know. I'm just saying it's going to happen. Just watch. This is just how it works, man. This is market. So when that happens, some people will get shaken out, and I won't. So I'm just enjoying watching all this stuff. I haven't sold a frickin' dime. I'm not purchasing anymore because it's been running. When you see price action like this, like if you're me, you don't buy. And so I'm not. All right. And I already, to full transparency, I had tapped pause anyway some time ago because I got to the point where I felt like I had a serious problem. Like, if I didn't stop purchasing XRP, then I need to go, see people at a meeting or something, kind of like AA or something like that. All right, now check out this. Oh, yeah, I just kind of wanted to highlight this one. So, all eyes on Ethereum as it hits $590. Not going to read the article, but it's not, fair enough, it's not just XRP that's climbing, but XRP is outshining the rest of the large cap coins. So you can see, like here, in the last 24 hours, XRP is up 38.47%. A barbarian, I suck at Bitcoin and Tether. You too, Ethereum, you too. Nothing against you. You're fine, Ethereum. Then you can see here's another headline. Ethereum faces no resistance until $800, signaling its rally is just starting. My friends, is this alt season? Or does this meet the definition of alt season? What's the litmus test? I don't know, but I definitely like this. This is a good time here. Now take a look at this. xrpscan.com/metrics. How about a crazy amount of accounts being opened over the last 24 hours? So I reported on this yesterday, and the number was 4,000. Where is it? 4,224. That was Saturday, November 21st. And then you've got for Sunday, the 22nd, 4,328. And then for today, if I could highlight, there it is. Okay, and so there you go. For today, Monday, 5,561 new XRP accounts created. You guys realize that if that were the normal, like average per day, that would mean that there are over 2 million accounts created per year at that pace. Not that it'll stay like that necessarily, but consider that there are, at the time of recording, a total number of XRP accounts. It's 2,195,616. And that number, that nearly 2.2 million, that took like 8 years just about to get to. And now you're seeing over 5,000 freaking accounts in a single day. My friends, all signs point to a hell yes. This is insane, man. This is absolutely astonishing. And so I don't know if we're going to be, hitting all-time highs anytime soon necessarily, because and I'm just following the chart analysts, but most of them say, okay, and I think the highest prediction I saw was like 92 cents for the short term, specifically for the short term. But all these analysts agree, like, that it's going, for the long term, it's a kind of big range, but depending on the chart analyst that you follow, I see anywhere at the peak of the next cycle, XRP hitting anywhere from $10 to $30 per XRP. And that's what the vast majority of the analysts are saying. But in the short term, the most bullish prediction I saw was like 92 cents. As another one, this is 65 cents, which apparently we did hit today. Others were talking about 52 cents, which we clearly blew past. And so it's kind of around the place. But they all had the same sentiment, which was pure bullishness. And so this is a good time to be an XRP holder, I would say. Is it fair to say that? I think it is. So we're going to keep watching it. Absolutely going to keep watching it. And I'm not going to sell a frickin' dime until we get at least close to XRP's all-time high. So if that means I have to be very patient, I don't even care if I have to wait over a year, whatever it is. I don't care. I am not selling a single frickin' XRP until we get there. And I don't blame it. Look, anybody wants to sell along the way, you do you, girl. I'm just saying, I'm not here for the small gains. I'm making big boy moves here. So we'll see. And I've always acknowledged, look, if I'm wrong about this, I will ride this bitch to zero. Seriously, if XRP goes to zero and I'm wrong about it without taking anything, fine, I can live with that. That would be disappointing, but I don't believe for a moment that's what's going to happen. Not for a freaking moment. XRP is following Bitcoin just like every other altcoin on the planet, and there's no sign that behavior from people is going to change anytime soon. Which means that I'm bullish on Bitcoin, and I actually am. How about that? I'm not a maximalist. I just am most interested in XRP for a ton of reasons, which I've been talking about for almost 2 years on the Moon Lambo channel. All right, that's it for this one, though. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do hope you guys are just having a fantastic time watching this. I hope you're having as great a time as I am, and you know what? We freaking deserve it. It's been a long, long, long bear market, and taking a bunch of crap from Bitcoin maxi trolls that don't know what the hell they're talking about. It's good, though. I feel vindicated. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the Moon Lambo.